How to watch ESPN2 on YouTube TV. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily watch ESPN2 on YouTube TV. So let's just get right into it. If you're using YouTube TV, you should be already logged into your YouTube TV account. But if you're using any web browser on your PC, head over to tv.youtube.com and then your YouTube TV will pop up. Now, the next step is you're going to have to tap on the search icon right besides the help at the top right corner and then click on it. Now on the search bar, you're just going to have to search for ESPN. Unfortunately, it does not show the ESPN2 if you search for it. So first you're going to have to go to the normal ESPN channel and wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, you can see all of the ESPN shows that is available on YouTube TV. You can scroll down and you can find other stuff like ESPN2 and other sports network as well. So you can click on any of these videos that you want to watch, and if you want to watch ESPN2 live, you can just click on it as well. Now, if you want to add certain episodes to your library, you can just click on the three dots and then click on Add First Take, and it will add a screen recording to your library. To access your library, you're going to have to close this out first. And now you're going to have your show will be added to your library, and we'll send the recorded upcoming episode as they become available as well. Now click on the library option and all of your saved episodes will be shown right here. And you could also find other news networks and other channels as well on your library. So that's how you basically watch ESPN2 on YouTube TV. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.